Office 365 considerably simplifies the creation of an out-of-office message. No more selection and creation of rules. It's all done for you in a few easy steps. But it's not necessarily easy to find. Open Office 365 and open your Outlook folder. Open the Settings wheel here and navigate to View All Outlook Settings. Make sure that the Email tab is selected on the left and then navigate to Automatic Replies. In case you've forgotten why you came here, there's a useful reminder at the top of the window. First, turn Automatic Replies on. You can simply leave it at that and create your out-of-office message and go, but you'll have to remember to turn it off when you get back. Helpfully, Outlook 365 allows you to set a start date and time as well as a finish date and time. Very useful, provided you're 100% confident that your plans won't change. Automatic Replies also integrates with your 365 calendar. It'll block out the same time slot, and you can add a helpful calendar message. You can also decline new invitations during that time slot and cancel existing events and meetings. Once you've done that, you can compose your out-of-office message. You get two options. The first text box is for a message that members of your organization will see, and by that Microsoft means those who share the same Office 365 account. The second is for the message those outside your organization will receive, in other words, everyone else. The second message is optional, but I'm going to use it. And I don't want to limit my automatic reply only to my contacts, so I leave this switch unselected. And in this case, I'm going to use the same message for both, so it's a simple cut and paste job. Save it to make the automatic response live, and a quick check of my calendar shows me that it's working and that the correct dates are selected. And that's it. I get a helpful reminder in Outlook that I have an automatic reply running and a link to switch it off. Outlook helpfully keeps my message for future use. And that's it. How to set up an out-of-office message in Outlook 365. We'd love to have your feedback on these videos. There's a very short survey here. And if you like them, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, check out some of our other training videos. And if you're looking for a new IT partner, please visit our website.